Males, 11 males. Kindergarten, 11 males, stand up. And 7 females. 7 females. For grade 6, 13 males and 15 females. For grade 10, 53 males and 48 females. Who, to my knowledge, have successfully completed the requirements of the curriculum of kindergarten, elementary, and junior high school prescribed by the DepEd. With that, sir, Education Private Schools Coordinator, Mr. Delbert U. de la Calzada, sir, they are now ready for your confirmation.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the authorized representative of the school's division superintendent, Maria Teresa Emorial, of the Department of Education, Baligan City Division, and having been presented and duly certified by the school president, Sir Inocencio J. Eminis Jr., that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the kindergarten, elementary, and junior high school curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education. I now confirm you completers, graduates of Agusan del Sur College Incorporated for school year 2024-2025. You are now eligible to receive your certificate of completion and of graduation. Congratulations.
We need to set back our Boy Scout and Girl Scout so that we will know what is about face. Harap at talikod! Harap! Yan. Tagalog, eh, sir. Now look at your parents sitting there in front of you. With full of makeup, they are beautiful and handsome before you. Di ba mga bapa ka-isla, no? They are happy upon seeing you completed your school. My dear parents, try also to look up your children. Tutukig maayo gyud. Aho man na. Now let me ask you this question. Inyo ha ba ng mga anak? Sure mo ka ninyo na? Pagtanong ko yung abit mo. Taas ka mo, sure yung ka kayo ng anak. May I see the hands of our parents. Ang uwan ng duha-duha. Murag sa kanta lang, murag tato, murag dili. Pagtanong mo ha, children, please go back now to your seats. Thank you so much. Ngayon ako nang ipamutan sa iyo.
Grade O Rabanes, Loyalty Awardee. Rayla May T. Abalo. Catherine Castle Q. Agupera with high honors. Princess Ivy Nuela S. Edozura with honors. An outstanding campus journalist. Pauline S. Suarez with honors, outstanding journalist and outstanding young singer.
Sabrina Limbasan with honors, Excellence in Araling Panlipunan, and Loyalty Award. Karil C. Marian with honors. Jana S. Mundial with honors and loyalty awardee. And Amari Dale G. Sarsen with high honors, Excellence in Filipino, Outstanding Campus Journalist, and Outstanding Athlete. Here are the grade 10 completers. Lincoln G. Abraham.
How many spaces?